Hello, ladies. I hope you are equally as excited as I am to finally have a new wig to showcase. This one here is from LUVME Hair, our biggest supporter over here on our channel. They sent me this blonde highlighted bob cut wig and I'm super excited to try it. But before we fully get into today's video, make sure you go ahead and like this video if you're really into wig content, and definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now, let's go ahead and unbox this wig. It looks like they included some different goodies this time. We still have the box label card for storing your wig. We still have a thank you card here and the typical mesh storage bag. But what is in here? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's like a mega bonnet. Okay. This would be really good for if you typically order really long units. This wig is a bob, so this won't necessarily be useful with this wig, but I still like it. It's actually very soft and the design is pretty cute. Okay. So that was all of the goodies. Let's get into the wig. The wig also came with an elastic headband that you can remove. While I'm taking the stuff off of this wig, let's chat for a bit because I am curious to see how you guys are doing when it comes to your wigs, the whole wig industry, because I know with the economy, like buying wigs, wearing wigs has sort of become less fun and a little bit more, I don't know, but I just feel like it's become less enjoyable with like the price of wigs and the quality of wigs. I still love and appreciate the fact that LUVME Hair holds up to its standard. And with the state of the economy and the way that things have been going, they have not, like other companies have, they have not like shorted their customers or changed the quality of their wigs or raised their prices or things like that. Or even with shipping, they haven't raised the pricing with shipping and things. But let me know down in the comments, like how have you been feeling around the whole wig industry and the economy, and how do you feel about buying new wigs? Like, are you as excited as you used to be, or does it just feel sort of mundane and unnecessary? Let me know. All right, so here is the wig completely out of its packaging. You can see here it has a 5x5 lace closure. The lace is transparent on this one, so I may have to tint it a little bit. That is HD lace, and the knots are pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-parted, you know. LUVME Hair typical. And it's also pre-cut with this scalloped design, which is going to help it blend in with your skin really well. I just noticed they didn't give me any wig cap. They tripping. Anyway, so there is only one comb in this unit. It is back here in the back. It's not removable. This wig is one of those adjustable wig caps. So you can adjust this wig to 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. It has that bra strap adjustment. I have a small head, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust it to the tightest one. This wig also comes with the C-shaped ear cutout tabs over there on the side, which is really helpful for, you know, us girl with the glasses. There's also a stretch fit cap, so it's very stretchy, and it's also going to really hug your head. And this right here is where you would apply the removable elastic band to help it feel a little bit more secure. Now I'm going to tie my hair up and put on a wig cap and then show you what it looks like straight out of the box. And on the topic of like wigs being less fun as they used to be, one of the things that really drew me to wearing wigs in the first place was the ability to change up my hairstyle whenever and however I wanted to, specifically with color. I loved playing with color in my hair. The first time I ever dyed my real hair, it got damaged. And so I was discouraged from doing anything else with my hair, and I sort of turned to wigs. And I have worn almost every hair color imaginable in a wig. And one of the reasons why I feel like wearing wigs has sort of become less fun like it used to be is that wig companies are not, like they're sort of taking the fun out of it. Like they're making every wig sort of these, and not this one specifically, but they're making most of the wigs these everyday, just natural black or a little bit of brown wig. Like what happened to the color and the fun, you know? I feel like that used to really be the thing for Black women, is experimenting with our hair through wigs. And now it's just like all of the wigs, they're making the wigs look like our hair, which I get it. Like some people want that, but where is the fun? Like if I wanted, this is no shade to wig companies that do this, but if I wanted shoulder length jerry curl hair, I could just wear my natural hair. If I wanted, and no shade because I love a Yaki unit, but if I wanted a silk press look, I would just get a silk press and it would be a lot cheaper. And I just feel like wig companies they really lost the fun. Like, what happened to the pink wigs and the blue wigs and the purple wigs and the red wigs and the yellow wigs? What happened to the colors and the different dye jobs and things, you know? Wig companies just aren't doing that anymore. And it's kind of sad to see. Everyone is basically rocking the same looks. Like, they keep changing the caps. The caps don't need any more adjustments. Like, we want different, I want different hairstyles, okay? I specifically want different hairstyles and different colors. Give me something unique. Give me something I can't do with my own hair. That's why I love wigs, because I want to see something that I'm too afraid to experiment with on my real hair in a wig. Anyway, this is cute. This is definitely a style I would not try on my real hair, but it's real cute. I love the highlights. Obviously, we got to do something about this lace and maybe bump it again and straighten it again so that this looks a little bit more cohesive. But I absolutely love the color. You can see what it looks like straight out of the box. You're going to have a little bit of work to do when you get it directly. And I feel like this length is perfect. It sits right here on the shoulders. And I know somebody's going to ask, this is a 10-inch unit and it only comes in this one length. Now, it does come in another shade of this highlight blonde. It comes in a slightly darker shade. This is the lighter shade. I love it. It's really cute. It's reminding me of Players Club, and I don't know why, but it is. Anyway, I am going to tint this lace and then straighten and bump these front pieces so they lay right. And then I'm going to show you what that looks like. All right, I'm going to be using this Kiss Lace Tint Spray here in the shade medium dark brown to tint the lace on this unit. If you don't know about this lace tint spray, I've mentioned it several times in many videos. It is a really good lace tint spray that is quick drying, and they come in many different shades, and it smells amazing. It's peach scented, quick drying, and I am using the elastic band this time. Now, I was going to straighten it, but I feel like my heated round brush will be a little bit better for this hairstyle, so we're going to try that out. This heated round brush has been my absolute favorite hair tool lately. I feel like it does everything. It smooths hair, it straightens hair, it curls hair. It can give you a little bump if you need a little bump. It detangles all at the same time. I'm going to try to add a little bit of volume to the root right here. You see that? If you don't have a heated round brush, you need to get you one. A lifesaver. It makes every hairstyle so much easier. Okay, so that's it. That's really all this wig needed. And now it looks exactly how it looks on the website. Okay, it did come a little, smooshed because of the packaging, but that's okay. A little bump, a little flat iron, a little brush. Whipped it right back into shape. I think this color looks really good on my skin. Let me know what you think. Here is what the lace looks like up close. And this is a glueless wig, and I'm wearing it 100% glueless. Yeah, so as you can see, I am wearing this wig 100% glueless. You can still see the comb underneath the lace. And I really don't know what it is, but this hairstyle feels so nostalgic. I don't know, I keep thinking Players Club. I don't know why, because I'm pretty sure nobody in that movie had this hairstyle. But it's just feeling very nostalgic, very 90s, early 2000s. Here she is in all her glory. Got body. And that's it. I love a quick and easy wig. And like I mentioned before, I love a wig with a little bit of fun, a little bit of color. And I can't believe I almost forgot to mention this. This wig is a 5x5 closure. So just because it comes in the middle part doesn't mean that you always have to wear it in the middle part. You can part it anywhere within the lace. So if you want to do a right side part with this wig, which would be really cute, you can do that. Also, if you want to do a left side part, you want to make it C-shaped or whatever, you can do that also. So yeah, if you like this wig or you're interested in it, I'll have the direct link below so you can check out the reviews and, all the product descriptions and everything. And if you decide you want to purchase this wig, or if you're browsing around and you see something else on the Love Me Hair website that you want to buy, make sure you use our special coupon code up here. That way you can save yourself some money. You can use this to purchase not just this wig, but any other products on the Love Me Hair website and get a discount. I also have an entire playlist over on my channel dedicated to all of my favorite wigs. You can check that out if you're shopping around for wigs. But that is it for today. Again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this type of content, you still love wigs, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.